In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the copy trading feature on the platform Bybit. If you want to create an account on Bybit, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get the best sign-up bonus possible, which is up to $30,000 of sign-up bonus. As you can see down here, you can see how much you have to deposit and how much you have to trade, and what bonus you will get. Of course, the more you deposit and the more you trade, the higher of a bonus you can get. To claim your bonus, you simply have to use the link down from the video description. You can see down here, then you can just enter your email, set a password, create an account, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look like this. And now I want to show you how you can deposit money. You can either deposit with crypto or with fiat. First, I want to show you how you can deposit with crypto. You simply have to go up here on the top right and click on deposit. Then you can choose the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit right here. So you can just click on here. And then let's say, for example, I want to deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum. In my case, I really like to use US dollar Tether. I can just select it here. Then I can choose a chain. For example, I like to use the Tron network. And then I have to click acknowledge right here. And then I will get my deposit address, which I can simply copy and then send funds to here from another wallet or exchange. And that works pretty much like that for all the other different currencies. As you can see, there are many different cryptocurrencies which you can deposit right here. That's pretty simple. Also, I want to show you how you can deposit with fiat money. So if you don't have any crypto yet, you can also deposit with fiat. You need to verify your account for that. But if you want to do that, you can simply go up here, click on buy crypto. And then you can see right here, fiat deposit. There are different possibilities. You can also directly buy crypto with fiat and then you have crypto on here, or you can deposit fiat with that. So let's click on here. So then you will get to this page right here. On the right side, you can type in the currency and the amount. Let's say I want to deposit euro in this case. I want to deposit 500 euro, and then I can choose different payment methods. For example, a SEPA bank transfer, which is just a normal bank transfer. You can also see it's real time, and it only has a 0.19% fee. There are also other options, for example, Advent Cash Wallet, if you know that one, just the easy bank payment as well. So depending on your currency, let's say if I want to use US dollar, there you can see there's a wire transfer. I can't use it because right now I'm not in the United States, but these are different currencies that you can deposit, and you can simply choose the one that you want and then deposit fiat with that as well. If that doesn't work for you, the other option is to have a one-click buy. Here you can basically buy crypto directly with your fiat money. For example, I have to choose my currency right here again. Let's say euro, 500 euro. And then I want to buy US dollar Tether with that. And then as you can see right here, payment methods, you can either use your euro balance if you already have deposited. If you don't have it yet deposited, you can also use, for example, your bank card or any of these third-party services. So if I want to deposit with my Visa or MasterCard, I choose this one. And if I want to use, for example, Apple Pay, Google Pay, I can use any of these third-party services. So these are your options that you have if you don't have any crypto yet and you want to deposit with your fiat money. Next, I want to also show you how you can convert your money to the desired cryptocurrency, because if you go back here to your assets, you can simply click on the amount right here. Then you can see an overview of all of your balances. We have these different accounts. To trade with it, you need to make sure that you have it in derivatives. That's first of all important. If you want to transfer them between them, you can simply go to any of them here, click on transfer. And then if it's, for example, in your spot or in your funding account, you can simply go here, see where it's available, go to your spot, and then make sure that you have everything transferred to your derivatives account. You can choose the coin that you have in here. Select all, confirm, and then you will have it in your derivatives account. So that's first of all important, because only if you have it in here, we can then leverage trade with it. And the other thing is, if you have it in a different currency right now than US dollar Tether, I would recommend you to convert it to US dollar Tether, because it's the best if you want to trade with it to have it in US dollar Tether, that you have a stable base collateral that you can trade with. For example, if you have it in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, just go here, click on convert, and then choose the coin that you have deposited, that you have in your account right here. For example, I have some Bitcoin in here. I can just choose the amount. Okay, now it's a little bit not enough, but then you can choose 2 US dollar Tether, just select all right here, and then you will receive the same money right here in US dollar Tether. Just click on convert in your derivatives account, and then you have it in the right currency. And then if you go back to your assets, make sure that you have it like that in your derivatives account. If you go in it, then you have here your US dollar Tether. And that's when we can now trade with it. All right, so once you have the money right here on your account, we can now use it to copy trade with it. And to do that, we simply go up here to tools and then go to copy trading. All right, so once you're on here, you can see this is the page where we can use all the copy trading features. You can see all different traders here. You can see some top traders, what is their return on invest in the last 7 days. You can see some top balance traders and so on. So you can just go here, search for them. If you already know a trader that you want to follow, you can also search for it right here, or you can click on all. You can filter them and sort them by different metrics right here. And let's say if I found one that I want to follow, let's say this one, I just click on it and I can see some more statistics about him. I can see what is his trade win rate, what is his followers profit and loss that they've made. What's his return on investment, how many trades has he done, what's his typical profit to loss ratio, how many weekly trades does he do, and so on. Everything important that we need to know. We can also see in the last days how much profit he's made each day. You can also further increase that to the last 30 days, so you can see how much profit or loss he's made in there. And if you go up, you can also see a balance of the portfolio that will happen once you follow his account. All right, you can also see his followers, how many people are following him, how much profit or loss have they made. And you can also go into trades and you can see all the trades that he has done. So you can typically check what trading pairs is he trading, how much profit has he made, where did he enter, when did he make the trade. So everything you need to know, you can analyze the trader right here. You can also see up here his total assets that he's trading with. So you can see that right here. And what's his profit sharing. So 12% of the profits that he's making will go to him, and the remaining 88% will be yours. You can also see how many followers he has, since when he's been trading, and so on. All right, so once you want to trade with him and you want to follow his trades, you can simply go here. You can see how many slots are left, and you can just click on copy. And now you have to choose an amount with which you want to follow him. You can see here your derivatives account, and you can see how much funds you have available. You can also transfer it right here or deposit more. Let's say I want to follow him, and you have to follow with a minimum of $50 in this case. So I'm just going to type in 50. I can also set what I want to follow, USDT perpetual future trades. And I can also set trading bots. I can also, if I don't want to do that, I can also unselect that. If I want, I can also do more settings. I can set, for example, what margin mode I want to use. I can just say, yeah, just use the one that the trader is using. I can also set what will be the maximum margin for each position if I want to do so. Daily, I can also set a maximum stop loss per order and so on. So if I want to set all of these metrics, I can set them here. I can also set a general stop loss if I want to do so here. In this case, I'm just not going to do any of these advanced settings. I'm just going to leave it like that and just click on copy now. Then you can see it changes up here. Now I'm copying him. I can always at any point edit these settings or cancel copying him again. I also want to show you, if you go back to copy trading in general, you can see now up here my copy trading, and you can see it's measured in USDT. I can see my total assets, and I can see my total profit and loss, how much I have done so far. If I click on here, I can also see a more general view of that. You can see my dashboard, how much equity, how much is currently available, how much is currently in trades, and how much is currently unrealized profit or loss. If any trades were opened right now, there's no open trade of the trader that I'm following. So that's why it's all available in here. I can see the dashboard, so I would see how my performance has been in the last day. I can also see my traders that I'm currently copying. So I'm right now following him with $50. I could, of course, follow multiple different traders with another amount if I want to do so. And I can track everything right here and adjust my investments accordingly. I can also see open trades. So if there would be any open positions, I could see them here. And I could see my history trades if I go here. So that's pretty much how it works. If I want to unfollow him at any moment, I don't have to go here. I could adjust it here, increase and reduce. But if you want to completely, so if I want to reduce, I cannot reduce anything because the minimum amount is still the $50 that I've put into it. Of course, I could increase some amount. I could put from, like, let's say I want to put $20 more in it. I can click on confirm, and now I have $70 following him. Now I could also reduce a little bit of it. I could reduce $20 because $50 is the minimum amount. If I want to get the $50 out as well, I have to completely unfollow him. How I can do that is just click on the trader again and then just go up here to cancel copy. I can just say, even either exit immediately at the current market price if I would have any open positions, or I could say, yeah, let's just wait until the trader closes the position and then I want to get out. And here I can also choose the same for the trading bots if I'm following trading bots. So just click on confirm. I want to cancel everything right now. And now I'm out again. And I have all of my assets available back in my account right here again. It's gone to funding now, not in derivatives anymore. If I want to transfer it, I can just go here and transfer it from my derivatives, from my funding account to my derivatives account and click on confirm. And now it's all back as it has been before. Don't forget to create an account on Bybit by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible. As always, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.